Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I thought I'd do a quick update. I worked so hard in my craft room in the garage yesterday, and it's looking better. I had to make room for the furniture to be brought in, the bigger furniture from my craft room. I have all the little stuff, as you can see, the little components and stuff, and just about filled up. I got a few spots that I could still put a thing or two, but I don't have everything out of my old craft room yet either. So this is where I worked yesterday. Oh, I worked so hard. Those are so heavy. So let me just kind of tell you how I did it. So this left side here, that is Christmas. So, be getting that out here before too long, but so I can get to it. I think if I move a few things on the side, I can get to it fairly easy. So there's that. And then all of this stuff is, I can manage without it. I'd rather not, to be honest, but I can manage without it. And like, I got my all my little project boxes so that the labels show, they were every which way, just from the kids helping move in and stuff. So anyway, that's my scrap box right there. And so I can get to it, I think. So what I'm going to ask the movers to do is to leave a little aisle if they can. And I still have more I can do out here. I can still do some stuff with some of that, like that thing is a jigsaw table with drawers. I can do something with that. This red bin is Christmas. It's supposed to be downstairs. It just got mixed in with my craft stuff. So so I got the boxes from downstairs. There's all the journal covers, for instance. And I have baby wipes up there, so I might need to get to those, that kind of stuff. So, okay. So then we're going to swing around here. Let me move those. I have a couple of empty boxes that I need to take over to the other house. But that's my project cart. Look, I have a whole empty space there. These are my stamps. So I found those yesterday and I'm like, yes, I could do some stamping. I thought I wouldn't be able to for however long. So I'm waiting this morning for another visit from a different electrician. Our last one, oh gosh, he came through with a really big bid. So we just can't do it. So I'm hopeful that this guy will be a little more reasonable. Anyway, continuing on. So those two bags are just my bags of bags. I've got my fall here, and then I brought over a couple of boxes that I think I'd want. Like this one was ephemera idea journals, and these are Etsy tables. And I have a few things stacked over here that are going to be Etsy. That is my scary electrical in this place. I brought over this table, which I didn't know what I was going to do with on the inside of the house. So I put all of my ephemera that's in bins, I put it on there so it'll be easy to grab. Let's see, what else? Oh, I got a few idea journals up there so that I can grab them. And these are idea bins. These are bins. So let's see, lots of bases and stuff. Okay, and then coming over here, I got my acrylic drawers all out. Those used to be on my desk. Now they're behind me, but that's okay. I can get to them easily. So that, I got all of my scrapbook paper all into a thing. This bag is, this one is Tim Holtz, all Tim Holtz stuff. I got all those papers, my Florentine paper, straw paper and stuff in that little holder. On this shelf, I have some acrylic drawers. I have my ephemera books. There's my brand new Joey Butterfly Emporium book right there. And then just stuff that I use all the time. Look, I have a little space even. It's kind of crazy. So let's see, up top is some pre-made ephemera. It's the grungy clusters and Tim Holtz, and that is so that I can work on, that's my project for Patreon right there. We're doing a correspondence waterfall journal over there. Gosh, what else? That's about it. And I have my little rolly cart. Susan's suggestion. My scraps are behind me right there in those bins, in those colorful bins. Yeah, pre-made pages behind there. That whole cart is pre-made ephemera. I figured I could pull out as I go. Yeah, so I think it's super workable, and I would have done a video today, but I'm waiting for the electrician to call and come. So yeah, so that's, let me back up here. Right by the lawnmower is my craft room. Oh dear, yes, it's so crazy. Yeah, so I just wanted to update you and do a little quick video so that I'd have a video for today, and get back to crafting tomorrow, I guess, once I hear from him. So thanks everybody so much for following along on this journey, and it has been a journey. Mike and I are so tired. But little by little, we're getting there. So it's all good, and your encouragement has helped a ton. So thanks, everybody. Have a grateful day. Be kind always, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.